Hello again, welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight I'm cooking zucchini slice. Yum yum. Even people who don't like zucchini will absolutely love this recipe. So it's very simple because you just put everything in together and it cooks all at once. First things first, we need to make sure we put our oven onto 180 degrees so that it's warming up whilst we're preparing. The ingredients are really your choice, but the main things that you'll need to have are eggs, milk, and then whatever fillings that you want. So tonight we're having zucchini, carrot, capsicum, cheese, flour, creamed corn, and then for the top I'm going to put some slices of tomato. As you can see now that I have prepared my ingredients, you grate your carrot and zucchini, cut your capsicum in small pieces. You can do it smaller if you wish, I like it chunky, and the tomatoes going on the top, so it's just in slices. Next thing that we're going to do is put our eggs into the bowl. Eggs, milk, flour, it all goes in together, because they're only little ones. There they go. As I said, we mix all of our ingredients. Good idea to put your wet ones in first. Once that's mixed together, I won't use my whisk again because this gets too chunky. I will use a spoon of some sort. So whether you like a big one or a little one, small one, whatnot, does not matter. Whatever floats your boat. Here we go. So I'm going to put the flour in. Any self-raising flour, I'm putting in gluten-free. You put in whatever you like. Then you mix it in. The egg, milk and flour have been mixed together. I've used the whisk just to make sure there's no lumps. Adding in all your ingredients except for your tomatoes. Adding in your creamed corn gives it a really nice flavour. You can add in a bigger one than this, or you just add in this little one. Yep, here we go. This is obviously a vegetarian version. You could throw in bacon, turkey, ham, but I leave it as a vegetarian. Okay, so we need a cup of cheese. Mixing that in. And it is done. You add in what you like, take out what you don't like. Next step what you need to do is oil your pan. You can do it as a complete slice or quiche or whatever, or you can put it into small muffins so that you can have it as snacks later. Completely up to you, but do use the oil, makes it come out a bit easier. There we go, and all you have to do is spoon this in. Spooning it in, making sure it's a bit flat, because remember it's self-raising flour that you've used. Now the self-raising flour will not stay through your mix, it will actually sink to the bottom and form a pastry on the bottom. So the last thing that we're going to do is put your tomato slices on top. If you really want to, you can put some more cheese on top, but there is already a cup of cheese in there. Okay. I forgot to put herbs into the mixture, so I'm just going to put the herbs over the top. Tuscan, that's one of our favourites. You can put in over whatever you like. Okay. Into the oven for about 25 minutes, but we'll check it at 20. Taking your skewer and checking in the middle. Still a little bit wet, so I'm going to throw it back in. You can see it's still a little bit wet around here. So I'm going to put it in for another 5 minutes and then I'm going to let it sit. Gave it another few minutes and this time it comes out completely clean. You can serve it up hot, serve it up cold, doesn't really matter, it's really nice. I'm going to plate it up and I'll show you the end results in a minute. The finished product with the salad. Any salad that you like. And I hope that this meal will resuscitate your hunger.
And what does resuscitate mean?
Resuscitate means to satisfy with a great meal. See you next time.